Although the market is still coming from a place of softness, at least there's just that little bit at the edge which is helping to get transactions going, which is cool. So Sam, how's it going?
Pretty good, exciting week this week.
Yeah, Bayleys conference this week.
Yeah,
so, yeah.
Let's get into the weekly news.
Yeah, 100%. So housing market focus this week, Sam. So mate, we just pulling together all the different data sets for the housing market. Obviously the big one this month was interest rates, right?
Yeah, so the Reserve Bank obviously cut the OCR by 25 basis points, which is kind of maybe earlier than some people were expecting or picking. But yeah, I mean, immediately the banks have started reducing their home loan rates, so it's been cool to see kind of what that's been doing for the market and just the sentiment from the agents and buyers as well.
Yeah, and it's been quite interesting in the auctions. The teams have been saying that although the market is still coming from a place of softness, at least there's just that little bit at the edge which is helping to get transactions going, which is cool. And you're actually starting to see the lower interest rates come through those Reserve Bank curves now, which is quite cool. So yeah, like big positive there, eh?
Yeah, awesome.
And then so Sam, next up, house price trends, right? So we've got the Real Estate Institute data for July. Mate, what was sort of happening over July?
Yeah, so we saw 5,800 properties sold during the month.
Yep.
Volumes were better in Auckland and New Zealand if you compare it to July in previous years.
Which is good news, right?
Yeah, previously if you watch our last videos, monthly updates, results were slightly lower. But yeah, so it's good to see more volume picking up.
Yeah, 100%. And then price trend?
Yeah, so prices were slightly down during July, and if you look at the regional performance, there were quite a mix of different increases, decreases, and some just staying pretty flat, so it's kind of hard to pick the direction.
Yeah, but a bit of like a mixed bag on the prices, eh? And I think median house price was like $753, right?
Yeah, $753 this month.
Yeah, which is exciting. And then mate, so final sort of thing, always useful to understand the supply of homes for sale. And so in past months, that's been tracking quite high. Where are we at the moment on that side?
Yeah, so supply of homes still high. For the end of July, there were 30,600 homes on the market, which is quite high if you look at it compared to previous Julys.
Yeah. You know, I think in the past couple of months, it's come down very slightly, but that's like a seasonal thing more than anything, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so big impact there is more stock on market means more distractions for buyers. Yeah, and then so Sam, getting into sales snapshot for the week, right? So we had that median house price for New Zealand, 753,000. So if we go around the country, what could we buy at that price point?
Yeah, so this one's pretty cool. It's in Remuera in Auckland, lot 1748 Remuera Road, a perfect Auckland bolt hole, a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, freehold terraced home, the 10-year master build guarantee. This one was marketed by Andrew Wallace and Sam Wallace from Bayleys Remuera.
Yeah, it's quite cool. I like the black on white there.
Yeah, very smart looking terraced homes, yeah.
Yeah, super cute. And then, mate, down in Bay of Plenty, right, we had another one as well. Like, what have we got there?
Yeah, so this is 4 Bronze Court in Papamoa, an effortless lifestyle. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in a quiet cul-de-sac close to the beach, cafes and everything else. Built just less than 2 years ago. Pretty cool property. This one was marketed by Aaron Meehan from Bayleys Tauranga.
Yeah, it's cool. And so both of those properties sold around that 750,000, which is quite cool. So you can get some pretty good buying at the moment. So Sam, I guess if we start to think about the outlook for the market, right? If we go back over the past 12 months, we had a couple of big themes stick out, like this high stock on market, high interest rates, and then basically it all come together into like a price gap between what vendors want and what buyers are willing to pay. So that's kind of been the story for the past 12 months. How's the story changing at the moment, like with interest rates?
Yeah, particularly around that OCR drop. I mean, obviously likely to give the market a bit of a boost.
Yeah.
But I guess when this will come through in the data is a little bit hard to pick. Because I guess there's two sides of that where the buyers might feel more ready to buy, but also the vendors' expectations might be
like sort of boost up.
Yeah, and they might be willing to wait to get a better sale potentially.
Yeah, I think that's probably the awkward thing in the market, right? Because like on paper, you'd say activity should boost up, but yeah, there's definitely that risk that we've got these vendors with that sticky price expectation, that they just boost their expectations and then we sort of remain in a stalemate for a while.
Yeah, especially when there's such high stock on the market right now, it's a bit tricky.
So I guess on the bright side though, one good thing about transacting at the moment is if you're buying and selling, you've got a reasonably stable market right now. So at least you're not going to sell and then maybe get sort of like lose value as the market increases before you can purchase. So yeah, it's kind of an interesting time, and yeah, it will be curious as to how the next couple of months pans out.
Which buyers kind of re-enter the market that have been kind of behind the scenes right now.
Yeah, 100%. And then, mate, so to wrap up, property of the week, right? So I think you're out of Auckland today. So what's your property of the week?
Yeah, so I've got 99 Leardit Street in New Plymouth, premium living at Pukekura. This is a brand new development on the fringe of the central city. There's 36 freehold townhouses with a range of like 2 to 4 bedroom configurations. Pretty cool to see offering like this in the New Plymouth market because it's something quite different.
Real cool.
Yeah, so if you're interested, you can get in contact with Neil Parkinson, Rachel Williams from Bayleys New Plymouth.
Yeah, cool, nice mate. And then, so for me, right, I've got 32 Arthur Street, Freemans Bay in Auckland. Modern luxury, 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, newly built masterpiece designed by Young & Richards. It's got 575 square metres of internal living, so it's huge, stunning views of the Auckland skyline. If you want to learn more about this one, contact Blair Haddo from Bayleys Ponsonby. So that said, Sam, we'll wrap it up here.
Oh, thanks, Chris.
Yeah, sweet. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Ciao.